will discuss exercise 4.1 based on the property which we already discussed. First sum is, for each of the following number, find the ones digit in their cube. And the first part is 3274. You everybody know its one digit is 4 and cube of a 4 is 4 4s are 16. When I multiply it 3 times, it becomes 64. So, ones digit in the cube of 3274, it ends with 4. So, its one digit is also end with 4. And the next part is 931. Again beta, its one digit is 1 and you know cube of 1 is 1. So, ones digit in the cube of 931 is 1. Similarly, you can solve the third part. It is 108. Again, you take its one digit. Its one digit is 8. And you know the cube of 8 is 8 8s are 64 and 64 8s are 512. Now the digit which end with 8, you already discussed the property. The digit end with 8, its cube end with the 2. So, ones digit in the cube of 108 is 2. Similarly, you can solve its fourth and fifth part. Sum number 2 is, each of the following is obviously not a perfect cube. Just by looking at a number, give reason why it is not a perfect cube. And the first part is 72900. As we already discussed in the properties, a number ending with a 0, if it have a 30, then it is a perfect cube. But this number, it has only 2 zeros. So, beta, it is not a perfect cube because a perfect cube ends with 30, not with 20. Similarly, the second part is 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now, there are 5 zeros. So, it is not a perfect cube because perfect cube cannot end with 5 zeros. It can end with 3 zeros or it can end with 6 zeros or it can end with 9 zeros. So, but it cannot end with the 5 zeros. So, it is not a perfect cube. Similarly, the third part is 3430. It is also not a perfect cube. It is not a perfect cube because same reason you will write, because perfect cube cannot end with 1 0. It ends with as it end with 3 zeros only. It should end with 3 zeros beta. But it have a 1 0, so it is not a perfect cube. Sum number 5 is, observe the pattern. That is, 1 cube, it is 1 square. And the 1 cube plus 2 cube beta, in the bracket 1 plus 2 and it's a square. 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, it is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 whole square. Similarly, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, it is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 bracket whole square. Using this pattern, we have to evaluate the two parts, and the first part, it is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube plus 6 cube plus 7 cube. According to this pattern, we put all the terms in the one bracket, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7, and inside the bracket we put the power 2. Now do the addition of all these terms, it becomes 28. Now 28 square, it means we multiply 28 into 28 and the answer is 784. Now the second part is 5 cubes, 6 cubes, 7 cubes, 8 cubes, 9 cubes, 10 cubes. Now the 4 terms there are missing beta, because this pattern, this always start from the 1. Now here the 4 terms are missing, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we should add the first 4 terms and also subtract the first 4 terms. So it becomes 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube plus 5 cube, 6 cube, 7 cube, 8 cube, 9 cube and 10 cube. Put it in the one bracket. Now I subtract the 4 terms, that is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube and 4 cubes, because I have these extra terms 4 terms added there and 4 terms I subtract there. Now according to this pattern, 1 cube, 2 cube and up to so on 10 cube, it become 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 10. It becomes the square of all the terms, and here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 bracket whole square. Now do the addition of 1 to 10 terms. It is 55 square. And 1 to 4 term, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. And it is 10 square beta. Now 55 square, it is 3025. And 10 square, it is 100. Now subtract it. I will get the answer 2925. This is the required answer.